ka Resubelpara ha ka sngi palai ka rakhe ha ka rukam ka ba shangkun bha ya ka jingdap nyo paprasnam ka jingyo Laitluid ka ri na ka jingsen shar ki nongwei da ka ba Kynmaw ru ya ki khlawait ka jila ki bala IT ya la ka jingem na ka benta ka ri ha ka ni ka sngi ya ka lama lai rong jong ka ri la penher da ka mentri ka kwat ka khia ka jila Dr. Ampri Lingdo ringkat ke jing sakhi lang ki board district ki he sarkar ki paiba nolor ki program bapher na ki samla puli hadin kani kaladon ru ka jing sam ya ki khusna bapher kum kadak ka jing ithu ya ka jing tibet jongki
Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose as the founding fathers of our nation. We remember the patriots from Meghalaya's soil, Utirot Singh, Ukyang Longba, and Upatogen Sangma. We also remember the pain of those who were displaced by the partition of India. We respectfully remember members of armed forces, paramilitary forces, and police forces of the country and our state who have made great sacrifice in protecting the rule of law. It has been a year of great significance for Meghalaya as our ambitious economic growth plan for transforming the state into a 10 billion economy took shape in the form of Mission 10. Under this plan, we have identified the opportunity sectors which hold immense potential to generate prosperity for the state of Meghalaya.
The third contingent is from the NCC of our Mese Boys Secondary School, commanded by Shri Batkam Sangma.
Rigapao, Dalma Apal Higher Secondary School NCC, Bukod Lengapara Sri Palak G Moment.
Now saluting the flag is the NCC cadet from Dalma Apal Higher Secondary School, led by Shri Balak G Moment. Next we have the NCC from the Manipata College, led by Shri Krish Rabha. Led by Shri Briton Rabha, with flag bearer John Ferdin A. Sangma.
Chet Gapao, Resubelpara Girls High Secondary School Girls, Bukod Lengapa Chijumba Moment, Aro Flag Rabat Kabakusin Bijachi G Moment.
Following them is the girls contingent of Resubelpara Girls Higher Secondary School, headed by Srimati Jijamba Moment and flag bearer Kusin Bijachi G Moment.
Skugapa Pascal Secondary School Boys, Aro